Hi, it's the day for Expert Billy. Today we're going to make some stuffed mushrooms with ham and shrimp. Okay, so now for our stuffing, we're going to mince up some onions. Since we're using a small amount for the stuffing, I've gone ahead and just taken off part of this onion. We'll keep that in the fridge for later. And just going to take this one, and I'd like to cut it down in this direction. Notice it'll stay together even without the root end here, as long as you don't cut it all the way through. And then I just like to go through this direction, kind of hold it together, watch your fingers. Go a couple ways here, and again, it's the stuffing, so we want this pretty small. You know, we want a really small dice, and so just go across. Just like that, and so you got a nice, almost a mince to your onion that we're going to add to the stuffing.